of an examination center in which I'll be appearing in slot 2. So here I'm going to present the exam analysis. Let us wait for some student to step out of the examination hall and then we shall discuss what happened in the examination. Till then, please do like this stream and share it with your friends who appeared on Snap or are going to appear on Snap in the coming days. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक कर लें और शेयर कर दें. So some students have started coming out of the examination hall. Let me speak with them and see that what did they do in the examination. So Pranav Pant. So hi, how did you do in the examination? Would you like to give some feedback on the exam analysis? Okay. So what's your name?
Sanskriti.
Okay. So Sanskriti, can you tell what happened in the examination? How did you find the paper?
It was good. Like no hiccups in the paper. Everything was smooth and it was manageable.
Okay. Did you appear on it last year or was it your first attempt?
First time.
Okay. So how did you find the paper?
It was good, decent one.
Any errors in the paper?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, so do you remember some briefings like what was asked in English, the kind of topics that they tested?
Yes, there were few idioms and
Okay.
figures of speech, countable
Okay.
and uncountable nouns.
All right.
And yeah, I guess pretty much that's it. And conjunctions as well.
Okay, so basically parts of speech, figures of speech.
Yeah.
How was the reasoning part? Did you find it tricky?
It was good actually.
Okay.
Like many of the questions I were able to solve within 60 seconds itself, and some were few tricky, but it was like able to manageable.
Okay, were there puzzles and no
matter.
puzzles? So all individual questions.
Yeah.
Okay, and some of the topics which you could recall, like syllogisms, blood relations,
Yes,
etc.
syllogism, statements, assumptions,
Okay.
and the number series, alphanumeric series were there.
Okay.
So yeah, it was like that, and blood relations as well.
Okay, and what about the quant section?
Quant section, it was because I'm weak in quant, so it was a bit tricky for me.
Okay.
So I don't think I would be the right person to give a feedback in quant.
But general, like, was there any DI set?
DI, yes, only one question.
One question of DI, and it was mix of arithmetic, algebra. Do you remember?
Yeah, everything.
Okay, so everything was present. So I hope you did well on the
Yes,
examination.
hopefully.
Are you attempting any other slots?
Other two as well.
Okay, so all the best for the
Thank
same,
you
and
so
thanks
much.
for your
Actually,
input.
I do follow your videos.
Okay, so that's
In
nice.
the morning only, I took your to make sure what all mistakes we don't have to make before the paper.
Okay,
So I do follow your videos, and it was really very helpful.
all right. So thanks for
Thank
the
you so
input.
much, sir.
Yeah. So we got input from one of the aspirants. She said that it was a mixed bag of questions. Like we have, like in English, you have distribution of different kind of questions. जैसे आपके conjunctions हैं, and there were questions on idioms and phrases, fill in the blanks, etc. Reasoning was the typical snap type. So let's meet some more aspirants and see that how did they fare in the examination. Did you appear on the examination? Okay, so let me find out some people who appeared on the examination. Excuse me, did you appear on the exam? Would you like to give some feedback of the examination? Okay, so this person does not seem to have done good in the examination. Let me figure out some more people who appeared on the examination and want to give the feedback for the exam. Hello brother, did you appear on the exam?
No, sir. Hello, Abhishek this side.
Okay. So if you, in case you are someone who appeared on the examination and is watching this video, please do let me know in the comments how was the paper, how did you find. Okay, and okay, video उल्टा आ रहा है. So tell me in the comments कि आप लोगों ने कितने अटेम्प्ट किए, पेपर आपको कैसा लगा, क्योंकि सब लोगों का पर्सपेक्टिव अलग हो सकता है. कुछ लोगों का पेपर अच्छा नहीं गया होगा, they would not like to discuss it, and some people must have done good and they would be happy to discuss the paper. So the ones who are watching, please do let me know. Some of the people are saying that it was easy as compared to last year. So let's see. So how did you do in the examination?
Very well.
Okay, so can you give some feedback on it?
More easy था.
Okay. So quant was easy. Did you appear last year as well?
No.
This is your first attempt. So quant was easy. Okay. What were the distribution? Do you have any rough idea?
Probability I use.
Okay.
THD के I think कोई क्वेश्चंस नहीं थे.
Okay. Algebra, geometry.
Algebra, arithmetic progression.
Okay, arithmetic progression. Functions, quadratic equation. Okay. And DI?
I didn't attempt.
Okay, you will
But
not.
only one question was there.
Okay. And reasoning? How was the reasoning part?
Reasoning was amazing.
Okay, amazing in the sense?
That's quite easy.
Okay, easy.
Yeah.
So how much critical reasoning? Any idea? How many questions of those?
Assumptions, I guess 2 to 3.
Okay. So were they one-liners or some short paragraph?
One-liners.
One-liners. Okay. So thank you for the feedback. So I got to know that reasoning this time the paper was easy. ठीक है, जितने लोग अभी 2 लोगों से बात हुई है वो लोग यही कह रहे हैं कि पेपर easy था, रीजनिंग भी easy बता रहे हैं, क्वांट भी easy बता रहे हैं. But let's see that when more people join it, we'll get a better understanding of the paper. और देखते हैं कुछ लोग और अगर मुझे मिल जाए जो फीडबैक दे सके. इन द मीन वाइल इफ़ यू हैव अपीयर्ड ऑन द पेपर प्लीज़ डू लेट मी नो इन द कॉमेंट्स. ओके, सो कि आपका पेपर कैसा गया, आप कितने अटेम्प्ट करके आए, एंड इफ़ यू हैपन टू अटेम्प्टेड द पेपर इन 2022, how much would you rate this paper as compared to this? Okay, so Dil Ilahi is saying that I have given the paper, it is very easy. Cut off high. So cut off high बोल रहे सब लोग, that means हो सकता है ये पेपर आसान हो. So 2022 वर्सेस 23 जो दोनों पेपर दिए होंगे वो एग्जैक्ट बता पाएंगे. Let's find some more people. Hi, did you appear on the examination?
Yes.
How did you find the exam?
It was, I guess, easy.
Okay,
I
easy.
attempted 41 questions.
Okay, so did you appear last year as well? Okay, this is your first attempt. So can you tell about some distribution like quant में क्या क्या आया था?
लॉग का भी क्वेश्चन था.
Okay.
क्वेश्चन 2 क्वेश्चन थे.
Okay.
और उसके बाद अर्थमेटिक के क्वेश्चंस थे.
Okay.
डिस्टेंस उसके बाद के
Geometry mensuration.
हाँ.
Okay, and reasoning? How was it?
easy.
Reasoning was easy.
Coding, decoding easy.
Okay, coding, decoding, number series, those kind of questions. Mix. तो group question भी था, puzzle या कुछ इस तरह का? Okay. So thank you for the input. Wish you all the best. So I have spoken to 3 people thus far और जैसा लोगों से पता चला कि इस बार पेपर easy आया है. ठीक है. So it means कि इस बार कट ऑफ ज़्यादा जा सकता है. अभी तो at least like the ones who have genuinely attempted all papers would be able to tell better. But हाँ, this person is saying that he found the question easy. Another person who said that it was easy. Would you like to give some feedback on the paper? What's your name?
Prashant.
Okay, hi Prashant. So did you appear for the first time or did you appear?
Second time.
Okay. So how was it compared to last year?
Last year it was little easy, but quant was little bit lengthy.
Quant
Because
lengthy.
I cannot adjust my time.
Okay. And reasoning?
Reasoning is moderate.
Okay, moderate. What all was present like number series?
Verbal is simple as always.
Okay, verbal was simple. So what all was present in reasoning section?
In reasoning section, there are so many, none of these options are there.
Okay.
In quant section, you can't predict the answer by doing some option method. You can't do.
Okay, so it required solution
Yeah,
when
you
you
require proper solution. You can't just really go.
all right. So thank you for your feedback.
Thank you.
Did you appear in the so can you give some
Just before
feedback?
exam, I saw your video where you explained hyperbole, personification, simile. That really helped me today.
Okay, so
Just
what was asked in the examination?
It was
Like,
fairly easy, very simple. I attempted 47.
okay, so you appeared on last year as well, or was this your first attempt?
No, this is my first attempt at Snap. I did the paper for Snap last year. I was just a candidate.
Okay, so if we talk about the section-wise distribution, do you have any idea what was asked in English? The kind of questions?
Pretty much, actually, I was very skeptical about being asked. I was very dicey that these simile personification they might be asked.
Okay.
But actually, your video only helped me on the last moment. And LR was quite on the easy side.
Okay, LR was easy this time. So everyone seems to say that LR was easy.
It was, it surely was.
What about the quant section? I think that quant is, or whoever I'm talking to, they've been saying that quant was.
You get caught up in LR, you think it's easy, so you try to devote more in that, try to score more in that. So you don't really reach until the end of.
Basically, LR was easy as compared to quant. That's why you attempted more on the LR.
Yeah, plus moreover in this exam it's not like that you can go through at first.
Yeah, you can gauge the paper all at
What
once.
seems easy, just take it and just keep on doing.
Sure. So I hope you did well on the examination. So did you also appear in the exam? So would you like to give some feedback?
Yeah, LR was easy
Okay.
compared to your mocks, all the videos you have.
Okay.
And VA was easy, very
Acha.
easy from your mocks.
All right. So VA was the typical questions, figures of speech, and all those.
Yeah, 1, 2, I think there was one for figure of speech, was a simple personification.
Fill in the blanks, synonym,
Fill in the
antonyms.
blanks, I don't, no.
Okay. Synonym.
Just
Did
one.
they ask a poem-based question also this time?
Yeah.
Okay. So poem, that is something that comes every time. And what else?
And there were many critical reasoning questions
Okay.
in the LR
Critical
section.
reasoning around
Yeah.
5-6 must have been there.
Yeah. And they
So were they
easy
one-liners
comparatively.
or the like the ones that you have like short paragraphs?
Just one-liners.
Okay, so critical reasoning was one.
Yeah.
What about quant?
One was okay, like
Okay,
it was
so
at par,
seems that
it
easy quant was moderate to difficult sort
was
of.
not difficult.
Okay.
It wasn't difficult.
But time consuming?
Yeah, time consuming. The calculations were lengthy.
Okay, all right. So thank you for the input.
Thank you.
So far I've spoken to a handful of people and the feedback that I've got is English easy है, ठीक है, क्योंकि वो आपके 5-6 मिनट में हो जाती है. Then you have LR which is again easy. इस बार कह रहे कि कोडिंग डिकोडिंग नंबर सीरीज सब बन जा रहे थे. Only thing that was that people have found is कि क्वांट में थोड़ा टाइम लग रहा है. So in case जिनको थोड़ा सा कैलकुलेशन में टाइम लगता है, for them it could be the blocking point, but people who have strong calculation ability can do very well on the examination. So जो लोग इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं, please do like this video. और अगर आप अपीयर करके आए हैं, so please do let us know in the comments कि आप कितने अटेम्प्ट करेंगे. At least number of स्कोर तो आपको जब रिजल्ट आएगा तभी पता चलेगा. एटलीस्ट नंबर ऑफ अटेम्प्ट से आइडिया आ जाता है कि जनरली जनता कितना अटेम्प्ट करके आई है. ओके, सो और जैसे कि एक स्टूडेंट ने बताया, समवन हैड परचेज माय मॉक्स, सो क्वांट वाज एट पार विद माय मॉक्स and now we have slashed the price of our mocks as well. The mocks are now available for 600 only. So in case you have exhausted other mocks and are looking for these, you can take ours as well. So this was the analysis briefing that English reasoning on the easier side as compared to last year. Quant seems to be at par, or rather the sampling which I done, all those students probably found reasoning as easier, so they attempted the reasoning part and did not attempt the quant part. So और बाकी जो लोग के comments में आए उसके according ये लग रहा है कि शायद इस बार कट ऑफ अगेन 3-4 मार्क्स बढ़ सकती है. I'll appear in the shift 2, then I'll be able to make better predictions, क्योंकि मुझे आइडिया आ जाएगा कि हाँ इस बार पिछले बार के कंपैरिजन में कितना स्कोर जा सकता है. So wait for this analysis at 5:30 p.m. wherein we will discuss those questions, and then at 8 p.m. in the night we will discuss the questions that were asked in the second slot. And in case you remember the questions from the paper, you can ask in my Telegram group, okay, and we can frame solutions for the same and discuss in the evening. So all the best who are going to appear in the second and upcoming slots, and the ones who appeared on the first slot, just go and enjoy your day. Thank you.